Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Rajshekhar is stable. Jivita test negative for COVID-19 and discharged. Telugu actor Rajshekhar is currently stable and on non-invasive ventilator support. Read the hospital's latest bulletin. Also, his wife Jivita has been discharged after testing negative for novel coronavirus. According to the press release, Rajshekhar has been admitted to the City Neuro Center in Hyderabad due to severe COVID-19, while Jivita had moderate COVID-19 infection. 3,342 new corona cases in Andhra Pradesh. A record 75,02,933 samples have been tested so far in the state, officials said. During the past 24 hours, 74,919 people were tested for corona samples and 3,342 were diagnosed with COVID positive. This brings the total number of corona cases in the state to 8,04,026. MLC Kavita extends Bathukuma greetings, urges people to stay safe. Nizamabad MLC and Telangana Jagruti founder President K. Kavita extended greetings to people of Telangana state on the festive occasion of Bathukuma on Saturday. She expressed happiness over the pride and excitement with which Bathukuma was being celebrated with friends and family despite the COVID pandemic. She urged people to the state to remain cautious during the celebrations in the wake of the pandemic. Kavita said the recent floods in the state have left many people in distress, even as the coronavirus threat has been looming large, posing challenges to people during these times of crisis. She lauded the spirit of humanity in the state and urged all to stand by each other during these difficult times. Telangana floods. Clear water before restoring power, says KCR. A whopping 1,145 agricultural transformers were found damaged by the recent Musi floods, of which repairs have been completed for 386 and 759 are yet to be repaired, officials informed Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. The Chief Minister instructed the officials to restore power in various places only after draining the water out, or else it could lead to accidents. Rao also directed the officials to take up the relief and rehabilitation works on a war footing basis. Karnataka CM announces Rs 25,000 compensation for families affected by Bengaluru floods. A day after Bengaluru experienced heavy flooding and came to a standstill, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa visited the areas which were hit and announced that Rs 25,000 compensation will be given to those affected. He said that the issuing of compensation checks will start immediately and all those who have been affected will be given all essential supplies. He admitted that the situation was very bad and assured that a permanent solution will soon be found. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.